Hello everyone, my name is Bob. Today I will talk about, will read the text, children doing chores. Nobody enjoys doing chores, but somebody should do them. If we don't do housework, our home will be very dirty. In many countries, children start doing the chores at a young age. But Korean children do not usually do chores. Should this change? Some people say that Korean children should do chores. First, it will teach them life skills. All adults need to know how to cook, how to do the laundry. They also need to know how to cook. If children practice these skills at a young age, they will become adults with practical skills. Second, doing chores is good exercise. Sadly, Korean children spend too much time sitting down. Doing housework will allow them to do more exercise. It will make the children healthier. Other people say that Korean children should not do chores. First, Korean children need to study really hard. They have to get good grades. Grades will have a better life. If they do housework, they do not study. This can be a problem. Second, doing the chores can be dangerous. Cooking needs knife and fire. Cleaning needs chemicals. These things can injure children. Goodbye. See you next time.